Morning, guys. It is so hot in my room. That's the bad thing about having a room that has two windows right near the sun, like where the sun hits, because it makes my room really hot. Plus, I have like all my technology in there. Anyway, morning, guys. Today is Monday. I'm trying to upload my vlog from yesterday. Hopefully, it went up yesterday. The problem is, I accidentally clicked update on my computer, and it's been stuck like this. Okay, you can't even see it properly. Why can you not see it properly? Focus on it, please. Stuck like that. Like, it's like literally done there. For the past about 2 hours. I'm gonna turn it off right now. Hopefully this will help it. Like, hopefully it just freestyle or something. Okay, turned it off. This is like the true definition of first world problems. I have my vlog to upload. It's just on a computer that's been updating. Oh, thank goodness. It was on the grey screen and the Apple sign didn't show up for like 5 seconds just then. Let's see if my computer will turn on. Well, okay, I restarted my computer. Now it's uploading the vlog 109 or 108. I don't know, one of the two. And it has 150 minutes to go. Wow, that's like 2 and a bit hours. I could watch Titanic, the movie, and it'll probably still be uploading when I'm done. Anyway, I'm just taking down all of the stuff that needs to go into the kitchen right now. I got a whole bunch of stuff in my hands. This is what happens when you sit in your room for a few days, because I have extended weekend, like, because I don't do anything on Mondays. Then I got Saturday and Sunday, so I collect a bit of stuff over the days. Anyway, well, school finished already. What time is it? I was the person walking from school. Anyway, I'm walking downstairs right now. I gotta go turn my pull on. My cat has literally been in this one spot the entire day. Lazier than I am. Okay, I'm gonna freaking stop vlogging for a second. Guys, in terms of the weekend vlog, I actually really like that kind of thing where I didn't vlog on the week. I didn't upload a vlog on the weekends. Hey doggy. Hey. 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 Yeah, I like not vlogging on the weekends. Okay, she's scratching me. She's scratching me. Stop scratching me. Scratch her. Because it just gave me time to relax and not do much, which is always good. Gotta turn my pool on. Wow, it's hot out here. There we go. Now I gotta go and take some stuff off the line because my mother asked me to. So I gotta do what she wants me to do.
Time to get a drink.
This is a bad thing about me and the Lipton iced tea. This was full this morning. Whoops. I mean, it's the light one apparently has no sugar, but I don't really know what it has in it. So I kind of gotta be careful with it, but at the same time, it's kind of like, I love drinking it. So, what can you do? Finally, I have finally recorded a desk tour that will be going up sometime in the next week on my tech channel. Because right now I actually have 2 tech videos, one tech video, one food taste test video, which are private, which I have to schedule right now. Anyway, about my upload, it was uploading to Dina Studios, to my tech channel. Yeah, had 50 minutes to go. Now it's back at 2:48. I'm gonna refresh the page. Usually when I do that, it goes down to like 150. But anyway, yeah, if you guys wanted a desk tour, I will definitely link you when the video does come out on my tech channel. Speaking of my tech channel, if you're not subscribed already, First of all, I have no idea what you're doing in your life. Second of all, just go subscribe. Okay, I just recorded another video. Yes, that's another video too on the channel. I might leave this one, sorry, till next week just to have more content evened out. But that video I just filmed was for I'm about to sell stuff. This little Bluetooth speaker, which kind of looks like a salt shaker. It has no real name, just the My Music, I'm gonna call it speaker, I don't know. It's a Bluetooth speaker. It actually connects to my phone, I think. Let's turn it on. Now it's on. Yep, it is connected. Let me find a new song. It's not bad. I put bass boost on my phone so I can actually get more bass. Probably still can't even hear the bass. But anyway, yeah, cool speaker right there.